Hello guys, Mehul back with another new video, and today Feeler has just launched yet another new product by you. And in this platform you can actually find a lots of different kind of fan form that is so much useful. So like in terms of colors, in terms of typography, in terms of stock footages, stock images, and whole lot of different kind of things that is like available over here. Like it's a kind of a registry of products. Okay, different kind of projects. I know you simply gonna love it. Okay, so without further ado, let me share the platform with you and like give you an overview of it and like show you what it is, right? So let's get straight into the video. So here is SimpleDM, and this basically focus on digital marketing resources. But obviously, all of our professions are like intersecting into this section. Like if you're a designer or an illustrator, not an illustrator. Okay, well, if you are an illustrator, what will you do with it? Whatever. If you are a designer, marketer, or whatever you are, like in this section, like who makes digital contents, you can obviously take like use those platform they have shared. So we have like tons of resources over here, like for stock images, uh, for illustrations, for color. So here you can see design, color, fonts, uh, ads from top companies. So this is kind of a tool. Then obviously another illustration, then a site for having uh, what stock images, yes, and then all different kind of a tools. Like this is one tool, cc search. Okay, so you can get, yeah, a lot of things over here. And there are actually 200 plus resources that they have included over here. And rather than that, this is basically sectionized into like some of categories like stock image, illustrations, colors, typography tools, design inspiration, and all other things. Okay, so you can obviously, and in design inspiration section we have dope ui. In typography tools we have like a lot of tools over here, like add fonts, b fonts, calligrapher, da font. We all know da font, font base, and a lot of other things. Okay, so yeah, really great uh, resource registry, I would say. Okay, you should definitely check it out because obviously it's one of a kind website, and they have like, why they we have, okay, we have featured some websites that are really like, some of the websites that are really thought not that much mainstream. Okay, not much people know about it, but still we have put that into this website because obviously there are tons of resources that we don't know about that are free maybe. Okay, and that is really amazing, which have amazing quality of contents in it. But yeah, we are not much aware about it, that's why we don't know about it. So obviously all of those kind of things are included over here. So really great site to visit for your those kind of needs, like tools, stock images, illustration, colors, and something like that kind of a need. Okay, so yeah, visit it. And if you really like our product, please give it a vote in product hunt. That will be much more helpful to us. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. uh if you know about some of those great products like this, please let me know about them in the comment section below. And obviously in future we gonna like keep on introducing you to like tons of new resources which will help you a lot in your journey of like marketer, designer, being a like generalist in general. Okay, so yeah, keep following that. And rather than that, that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. If you like particularly this video, give it a thumbs up. share with your friends, comments down below, or do whatever, like help me to boost the YouTube algorithm. That would be like really great. Before signing off from this 365 video challenge, so 58 video remaining, right? Okay, so that's it, bye.